ang dami naman yung grabe naman, madam.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ang gamitin namin, ma'am, ha?
Yes,
Kasi
sir.
inflatable ka.
Yes.
Oy, guys, sunscreen na kayo. Kasi kailangan natin ito masubukan sa, init talaga, no?
Hey.
Okay, isang sachet, isa na, oh.
Ba't tinalok mo yung araw? Yan yung ano.
Salamat po sa mga natin, lifeguard ng White Rock. Thank you mga boss. Dahil nasis nila kami para meron kaming, hindi kami malunod. Tara, subukan natin sunscreen kasi yung sunscreen talaga, di ba? Oo, yung sunscreen. Tara na.
My heart is making itself crazy. You need to see me.
Out of nowhere.
Boy, tingnan mo. Ay, boy, kita mo yung sunscreen, epektado pa rin.
Sunscreen.
Epektado pa rin. Epektado.
Tantado.
Epekto, tsaka protektado ka. Epektado pa rin.
Diba, nakalibre tayo.
Uy, subuka! Hawak kayo sa may bandang leg.
Ganda ng sunscreen. Di umuhulas.
Basta, mag-enjoy lang tayo. Tapusin natin yung mga obstacle na to kasi nung nakaraan kami, mahal ginagawa ito, libre. Kaya enjoy natin, ha? Yes! Tara!
Some people try to reason with me. Some try to plant seeds of doubt. I was convinced that people that I'm alive and knew that was my God.
Yabang mo! Puro ka sila!
Ganito na, oh! Ikaw nga.
Aray, gago! Aray, Basic! Basic! Hey, she's smeared! Halo, gila! Ano ba?
the way.
La 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 Sino ang gustong tumuret muna? Julia.
Ano Julia yan?
Dito, manonood muna kami. Dito. Ala.
Mamamatay na ako.
Paano bakit ka mamamatay? Tatalon ka lang naman. Masyado ata, duwag mo. Di ba sabi ko sa'yo, sabi mo ka na, malakas ang loob ko. Paano sabi mo? Hindi, lakasan mo. 1, 2, 3, go.
Malakas sa loob ko.
Very good.
My heart is making itself crazy. You need to see what sheep I'm in. It's hard for me to get sleep late.
Kyle. Anong next? Ano ba? Julia ayaw, oh.
Right from the start, you had a place in my heart. It really made good sense to me. All of my friends, they say I'm not been the same. They say I'm gone, I'm lost and saved. You're my own.
Alam nyo, kaya nila Iban yan, tsaka ni Kalo. Kaya ni Iban, tsaka ni Kalo. Kaya ni Iban, tsaka ni Kalo yan.
You're the light when darkness comes. You're our melody and harmony. You're the thumping of the drums. You're my only, you're my favorite. You're my weakness, can't you see? You're the reason I'll stay faithful. And you know you'll always be. I felt it right from the beginning. I never doubted anything. Some people try.
Ayaw ni Alien, tsaka ni Anggian.
Oo.
Let's go.
Right from the start, you had a place in my heart. It made good sense to me. All of my friends, they say I'm not been the same. They say I'm gone.
Dalawa.
Sabi namin kaya rin, dalawa ulit tato. Tatlo yung sinesenyos namin dito.
Dalawa.
You're my only, you're my favorite. You're the light when darkness comes. You're our melody and harmony. You're the thumping of the drums. You're my only, you're
Gustong gusto ni Jerna. Ayun na.
Isa pa daw si
Teka. Yung sinasabi. Ang sabi mo? Hindi pwede hindi ka. Sugat ka dun. Ano ka nang magalit? Ayun na. Wala, sugat ka dun.
Aray.
Halika na kasi tayong dalawa.
Mamamatay na ako.
Bakit ka mamamatay naman? Lilipad ka lang.
Eh, para pag lumipad tapos papunta sa langit.
favorite. You're the light when darkness comes. You're our melody and harmony. You're the thumping of the drums. You're my only, you're my favorite. You're my weakness, can't you say? You're the reason I stay faithful. And you know you'll always be. I felt it right from the beginning. I never doubted anything. Some people try to reason with me. Some try to plant the seeds of doubt. But I was convinced that people on my own had to use that as my guide. The people who love me as a joy were on. I thank them for the ride. You're
Pagkasampa ko, ikaw na rin tumalon sa akin. Tumalong ka sa taas. Sige. Ano? Bigyan kitang 1, 2. Oh, hindi. Totoo. 1, 5.
You're the light when darkness comes. You're our melody and harmony. You're the thumping of the drums. You're my only, you're my favorite. You're my weakness, can't you say? You're the reason I'll stay faithful.
Kasi sabi sa akin, sir, ni Kuya, pagka siya na daw, ako daw ang tumalon. Eh di ba sir, bawal yun? Protocol yun sir, di ba? Kasi delikado. Sila sir kasi professional. Sir, kunyari lang ako natatalon.
Okay.
Pero kayo talaga.
Okay, sir. Pero akit ka dyan. Hindi mo kuya.
Oo. Sige, sir.
Okay, sir. Sige, sir.
Sige, sir. Sige, sir.
Wow!
Yung karap, sir.
Umarap!
Doon ka lang harap, sir. Hindi, doon ka lang harap. Doon ka lang harap.
My heart is making itself crazy. We need to see the sheep on me. It's hard for me to get sleep lately.
Boy, buo na yung plano natin.
Rider ka.
Tumalon. Tanga, tumalon ako. Hindi mo nakita.
Tumalon, napakataas.
Tumalong ka!
Oh, that's it.
Oh,
Okay.
ikaw na, oh.
Tayo, iba tayo. Na lang ako ni Ito ang masaya. Oh, okay guys, oh.
Look into my eyes, look into my eyes.
Let's go!
Doesn't matter if they're blue, green, brown, they flash like fire. Colors of the earth, colors of the earth. Take your flag and stick it where you like. I'm reaching higher. Oh, darling, and if you think the planet's grip can hold me back, I am a rocket. There's no way you can stop me if you try. I never felt so free as I do right now. No way that I'm ever coming down. I'm on my way to leave the atmosphere. It's all coming clear. Say you're on a wall, baby, I was made for the stars. Listen to my voice, listen to my voice. Coming at you like a lion's roar. I won't go quietly. Take a picture now, take a picture now.
Ayaw mo sa banana boat, so jet ski tayo.
I am a rocket, there's no way you can stop